Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart at Oakley Park Elementary School here in Commerce Township, Michigan. I actually live right down the street from here, so it's really cool to be somewhere so close to share my heart in my community locally. And it was another incredible day. A lot of students in tears and very moved by my talks. I got to speak to grades kindergarten all the way up to fifth grade. And the main focus on today's message was the power of kindness, and how in just a couple of seconds we have that ability to uplift somebody higher than the clouds, like the peace sign here, or to destroy that person in just one heartbeat and one breath, one word, one action, 2 seconds. So we have to be so conscious and aware of what we're saying, and to not only realize our own worth and value, which I talk about with all the M's on all of our palms for miracle, etched on our palms with the lines of our hands, but upside down W for worthy, to remember our worth and our value, and really make a commitment to not only believe that we're good enough, but then go out and help others see that they're beyond great enough by how we treat them. And it was so moving to hear so many students. I stayed for all the lunches too. They came up to me and shared, and they want to start a kindness club. They were so moved. They want to start a club that's focused on the principles that we spoke on, that we talked about. And they even already started one and had me sign up and join it too and date it. And I was number 28, so I'm part of the club, I guess. But it was really cool from that angle too, that now they're going to make it a point as part of this club, as part of its mission, to find people that need a friend, find people that need more love, other students, and go out and be their friends. To not be the people that make fun of others or join in on the bullying or the teasing, but to actually rise above and be the bigger person. And know that yes, it's true, some people are hurting, that hurt people, but that we can become and choose to be these healed people that help heal other hearts by how we choose to show them love, kindness, respect, and compassion, just like you treat your own best friend. See them as human beings before anything else. Another big concept that I tried to hammer home, the one race human. Like the t-shirt says, we see everybody as humans before anything else, no matter how they're born, if it's differently, if they walk differently, talk differently, see differently, hear differently, learn differently, we still show that empathy and we still show that kindness. So again, Owl Nest, Owl Community, the Oakley Park Owls, thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon to share again and keep this message growing and just the kindness flowing. And just one other quick side note too, one girl that had shared with me today, she had said that before the talk today, her heart was like this. Our heart's as big as our fist, right? It was closed and she was kind of bitter, but now it's open. And now she's willing to not only see that she's that true miracle, but help others see that as well, to be their light, to be their hope, and just make it her job to go out and touch other hearts. You guys were great. You guys are all miracles. Never forget that. Much love. See you soon. Peace.